This is the Samsung Galaxy S22 series and Samsung is going all out with this one. Here Samsung is combining the Galaxy S and Galaxy Note. They'll call the maxed out expensive variant as Galaxy S22 Note. So yes, we have got an exclusive hands-on of all Galaxy S22, S22 Plus and S22 Note. Here they may look sorta similar to last gen devices, especially the S22 and S22 Plus, but there are some huge internal changes. The Samsung S22 is now more roundish, got a 6.06-inch flat display. The Plus variant have a 6.55-inch display and sad part is both of them are full HD+. Samsung is clearly compromising in terms of display resolution using same resolution they use in Samsung A series and M series, which is kinda mid-range. Samsung's main focus is on this max out device, which is Galaxy S22 Note. This device can give a serious competition to Apple OnePlus N Pixel. So it has a 6.8 inches massive display size and subtle curved edges and again boxy design like Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And there's still a hole punch on top center, which is quite shocking cause at this point Xiaomi, Motorola have all gone full screen with no notch, no hole. Here not to mention we saw how Samsung did really well with the Galaxy Z Fold in-display camera, so Samsung better stick to a hole punch as of now. See, in terms of display, of course, no doubt Samsung is the king, so high refresh rate, high resolution, best colors and One UI 4 on top, which is gonna give a best user experience. The massive change comes to the stylus to the bottom. Again, Note X S combination is in action. This Type-C port, speakers and SIM card tray is there too. Now thing I love about Samsung flagship is I can trust those cameras. Best part is it's getting better this time. The specifications are same like 108 megapixel Samsung HM3. There's dual telephoto periscope lens, super wide and some supporting sensors. Yeah, the specifications may sound similar to last gen device, but Ice Universe says Samsung is making some huge changes in software and image processing. This is not all cause the main change is inside the Exynos 2200 CPU and AMD RDNA 2 graphics. Here this is gonna change Samsung forever. But sad part is it's still not as powerful as Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU, and not to mention Samsung will use Exynos CPU in the Europe and US via Verizon. Rest of the markets like India, US and even South Korea might get Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU with Adreno 730 GPU. So yeah, that is fine for me cause both are really powerful, and yeah, this is pretty much it. The Samsung S22 and S22 Plus will have mediocre, not so flagship level specs like low resolution display, plastic back, small batteries and not so fast charging, but this one, the Galaxy S22 Note, is for sure powerful. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.